Right, 3 root 7 squared. Remember that both of the terms in the brackets need to be squared, so it's 3 squared times root 7 squared. Well, 3 squared is 9, and root 7 squared, of course, is just 7. So that goes to 63. Done. Part B. Root 3 over 5 root 3 plus 6 root 2. Now remember, and we want that in the form a plus b root c. So in other words, we want to get rid of the square roots from the bottom, otherwise known as rationalising the denominator. And b is not allowed to be minus 1. Oh, okay. Right, so we do these by multiplying the top and the bottom by the same expression, and normally it works if we multiply by the conjugate, because what we want to do is to get rid of the square roots on the bottom. Well, when we multiply this out, when we multiply, for example, root 3 by root 3, that's just going to go to 3. That's going to get rid of the third of the square root. We are going to end up with the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, but because we've put a minus in here, that's going to cancel out. So let's try it. Multiply the top, and we've got 5 times root 3 times root 3, which is the same as 5 times 3, minus, and then we've got 6 root 2 times root 3. Okay, and then on the bottom, if I put the arrows in, we're multiplying that by that, that by that, that by that, and that by that. Alright, so let's start to do it. 5 root 3 times 5 root 3. 5 root 3 times 5 root 3. The root 3's are going to multiply together just to give you 3. Now the terms in the middle, I'll write them out, but they will cancel out. So minus 5 root 3 times 6 root 2, and then we're going to have plus 6 root 2 times 5 root 3. So those are actually going to cancel out, which is the whole reason why we chose to multiply by the same expression but with a minus in the middle. And then finally we're going to have minus 6 root 2 times 6 root 2. 6 root 2 times 6 root 2. So that's going to equal 15 minus 6, and root 2 times root 3 is the same as root of 2 times 3, which is root of 6. Now what have we got on the bottom? 5 root 3 times 5 root 3 is 25 times 3. Okay, the middle ones cancel out, and minus 6 root 2 times 6 root 2 is the same as 6 times 6 times 2, which is 36 times 2. So we've almost done it. 15 minus 6 root 6 all over 25 times 3 is 75, minus 36 times 2 is 72. So move this up a bit, and we end up then with 15 minus 6 root 6 all over 75 minus 72, of course, is 3. So that equals 15 over 3 is 5, minus 6 over 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 root 6. So we've done it. Our A is equal to 5, our B is equal to -2, and our C is equal to 6.